everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable Photos Remix on Instagram. So watch this video till the end. Instagram has started to roll out its Photo Remix function, which enables users to utilize Instagram photos, posting as a leaping point for their group, Instagram Reels, or to include their own video comments. This new tool is definitely worth trying if you have been looking for a way to make more use of your Instagram photographs or more effective ways to make Reels. So without further ado, let's get started. Open your Instagram app on your device. Go to your profile by clicking the bottom right icon. Tap the three-line menu symbol in the upper right corner. Tap on Settings. On the Settings page, tap on Privacy. Tap on Reels and Remix. Move slide bar of Allow for Photos to right. So, this is how you can enable Photo Remix on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedbacks. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.